Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. What if I told you that a spider web drone attack on Russia, it was never about winning a war, but it was about never letting it end. Ji haan. Just 24 hours before peace talks in Istanbul, a swarm of Ukrainian drones struck deep inside into the Russian territory, as you can see here. And Western media cheered that Russia has lost everything. But within 72 hours, Russia hit back hard, destroying over 150 Ukrainian military sites and also killing 2,000 plus soldiers. But here is a question that nobody dares to ask. Why was this attack timed so perfectly just before a ceasefire deal? Is Ukraine really fighting for survival, or has it become a pawn in a $1 trillion global tug of war? So in this video, we are going to uncover the hidden players behind the Russia-Ukraine war machine, and also the $1 trillion opportunity that split the West. Apart from this, how Trump versus Europe could shape Ukraine's future more than Putin, and why peace may be the most dangerous threat of all. Now, you need to see this video till the end, so stay with me till the end, because the real story is not about Russia versus Ukraine here. It is about how Zelensky became a broker of a global war economy and how that war may never be allowed to end. So recently the headlines which were there in the newspaper, that is Ukraine spider web drone attack on Russia. Now अब बहुत सारे सवाल हमारे माइंड में आते हैं. Why just a day before Istanbul peace talks? जी हाँ, why just a day before Istanbul peace talks? Was it aimed to hurt Russia or to provoke Putin? Is it Trump versus Europe? Who will get this $1 trillion opportunity in Ukraine? One need peace, other need war. है ना? Now, that is why Western media ने क्या दिखाया? Western media sold Spiderweb as a major Russian defeat, and Russian lost everything that they have claimed. And what is the reality? Russia retaliated within 72 hours. Over 150 Ukrainian military locations hit. 2,000 plus Ukrainian soldiers were killed, and Ukraine's logistic as well as power infrastructure was also targeted. अब जेलेंस्की को ये चीज पता थी कि ये होगा ही होगा. Zelensky knew this, that this would happen, and it happened at the time when peace talks were supposed to start in Istanbul. Now, अब हमारे माइंड में क्वेश्चन ये आता है, why Zelensky rigged peace talks? The operation was not a spontaneous strike, first of all. It was planned over 18 months and launched days before a high-stakes ceasefire negotiation which was held in Istanbul. अब सवाल सभी के माइंड में ये आ रहा है, why now? So let me tell you, peace kills war profit. हर चीज बिजनेस के लिए होती है. Peace kills war profit. And a ceasefire would freeze the Western weapons deals as well as loans and media narratives propping up Zelensky. So, European real GDP is shrinking. अगर आप यूरोप की GDP देखें, so Europeans real GDP is shrinking when adjusted for inflation. In 2024, if you see this chart, in 2024 अगर हम बात करें, so let me tell you that Germany GDP plus 0.2%, but inflation कितना था? 2.9%, है ना? So inflation net negative, clear. So France, Italy, UK, they are also facing this similar stagnation. That is why massive civil unrest from farmers, massive civil unrest from the workers, students as well as immigrants. So अब कौन सी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी बची है जिसमें ग्रोथ हो सकती है? आर्म्स. The only growth industry left, that is arms. Okay, and the only topic that is left to control all civil unrest is war. यही चीज रह गई. Now if you see Europe has been at all time, है ना, till 1945. Since then they have exported wars to all over the world. यूरोप ने वॉर लड़ा 1945 तक. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद यूरोप ने एक नई स्ट्रेटजी अपना ली. दे हैव एक्सपोर्टेड वॉर्स टू ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. नाउ व्हाई? बिकॉज दे सोल्ड वेपन्स एंड अर्न बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स. ओके, सो सिंस अ डिकेड यूरोपियन पावर्स आर स्ट्रगलिंग. And in last 10 years, only Germany is in top 5 world economy. Okay. So their immigration, Europe's immigration is causing the civil unrest. And that is why they found Ukraine a new pawn to fight Russia. ये hidden reason है. So if you see this, so hence they have made it an opportunity to create a market for weapons, for real estate, for everything. Otherwise, why a non-nuke nation like Ukraine will get into the war with Russia? Ukraine क्यों जाएगा रशिया के साथ वॉर? वो तो non-nuke nation है. And how this war would drag to 3+ years now. And now Trump came into the picture. Now Trump and EU are at the crossroads. Trump क्या चाहते हैं? Trump wants to get all the benefit of Russia-Ukraine conflict to his lobbyist. ट्रम्प जितना भी बेनिफिट है रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर का वो अपनी लॉबी ग्रुप के लोगों को देना चाहते हैं. That is why he wants to broker peace and get all the contracts of rebuilding Ukraine and rare earth minerals in return to United States, which European Union nations are not liking it. And that is why just before a peace talk, this mission was executed. That is Operation Spider Web. है ना? So this looks, अब एक चीज समझिए, this looks less like defense and more like provocation. ये डिफेंस कम दिख रहा है, हमें क्या दिख रहा है? More like provocation, है ना? Why? Because each time Russia retaliates, रशिया क्या करेगा? Retaliate करेगा, and Ukraine gain something critical, है ना? अब यूक्रेन क्या गेन करेगा यहां पर? फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यूक्रेन इज गोइंग टू गेन हिज सिंपैथी फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, मोर लोन्स फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, मोर वेपन्स फ्रॉम यूरोप एंड मोर हेडलाइंस कीपिंग ज़ेलेंस्की रेलेवेंट इन यूक्रेन. सो इट इज अ विशियस लूप. ये जो इंसान आप देख रहे हैं, है ना, ये लूप में फंसा हुआ है. इट इज अ विशियस लूप एंड इट इज स्ट्रेटेजिक. दैट इज यूएस एंड मनी. एंड यूरोप क्या बेच रहा है? यूरोप वेपन बेच रहा है. यूरोप सेल्स वेपन एंड यूएस डज टू, है ना. बेसिकली ये पैसा किसका है? बेसिकली दिस इज टैक्स पेयर मनी इन यूएस which goes to arms dealers in Europe and some in US too. And this is currently only major positive cash flow for the European Union countries. This is the major आप कह सकते हैं पॉजिटिव कैश फ्लो है फॉर द यूरोपियन यूनियन कंट्रीज. अब ट्रंप के आने के बाद क्या चेंजेस आ गए? इट वॉज गोइंग ऑल वेल अंटिल ट्रंप केम इनटू द पिक्चर एंड Trump has his own agenda of ending the war and getting all the real estate contracts and rare earth minerals in Ukraine. Now, Putin के लिए क्या है? For Putin, this war has only one meaning or reason, that Putin क्या करना चाहते हैं? He has to keep NATO away from the Russia's border, and he has kept restrained and always responded in the measured manner. Okay. तो ज़ेलेंस्की को ये चीजें पूरी तरीके से पता है. ज़ेलेंस्की नो वेरी वेल दैट समथिंग ऑफ दिस स्पाइडर वेब अटैक, नाउ दिस स्केल विल क्रिएट प्रेशर ऑन पुतिन टू गो मोर अग्रेसिव एंड इट विल कॉल नेटो टू डिफेंड यूक्रेन. और वहीं पर नेटो आ जाएगी यूक्रेन को डिफेंड करने. Okay. Now, Russia has been reasonable as well as responsible, but there is a limit. Zelensky is testing that every other day. Zelensky बहुत बुरी तरीके से पुतिन को टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. And do not forget that Western firms are lining up for Ukraine's reconstruction. As you can see here, this chart. Western firms जो हैं, they are in lining up for the Ukraine's reconstruction program and a market worth around $750 billion. Market worth कितनी है? $750 billion to $1 trillion. Okay, so more construction means bigger opportunity, and it is not about rebuilding a country. It is privatizing it, and the longer the war drags on, the larger rebuilds बिल, उतना ही ज्यादा उसको रीबिल्ड करने का खर्चा आएगा, है ना. तो यूएस ये बहुत अच्छे से जानता है. यूएस वांट्स दैट एज वेल. यूएस भी चाहता है कि हम यूक्रेन को रीबिल्ड करें. सो दिस इज एज मच एज ईयू वर्सेस ट्रंप नाउ, एज मच एज रशिया वर्सेस यूक्रेन. अब ये ईयू वर्सेस ट्रंप हो गया है ना. दैट इज व्हाई ट्रंप थ्रेटेंड रशिया टू ब्रिंग रशिया ऑन द नेगोशिएशन टेबल. And European Union, they ordered that Zelensky to cause attack, so Putin will be provoked to attack. So Zelensky जो है, Zelensky is playing with both EU also as well as Trump also, and it is just that Zelensky who is in win-win-win situation while pushing the whole world into World War III. Zelensky पूरी तरीके से फायदे में है. अब ट्रंप क्या चाहता है? ट्रंप वांट्स अ 1 ट्रिलियन रियल स्टेट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन यूक्रेन एंड ईयू वांट्स मोर डिफेंस डील. ईयू क्या चाहता है? मोर डिफेंस डील, है ना. एंड पुतिन क्या चाहते हैं? पुतिन वांट्स नो नेटो एट बॉर्डर. सो रशिया सिंपली डज नॉट वांट नेटो एट इट्स बॉर्डर. यूक्रेन, सो इफ यू सी यूक्रेन, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट द यूक्रेन विनिंग. So here is the big truth. ये वॉर यूक्रेन को जिताने के लिए नहीं है, यही सबसे बड़ा ट्रुथ है. That spider web operation was not about defeating Russia, it was ensuring Russia strikes back so that the war continues, and every missiles, है ना, every missiles that Russia fires gives Zelensky a reason to play a victim card, secure weapons from EU, delay peace as well as mortgage. So mortgage was Ukraine's future to foreign interest. So it is about making sure that Ukraine never stops fighting, because war is money, war is power, and for Zelensky and his backers, peace is the real enemy. जो Zelensky को support कर रहे हैं, for them peace is the real enemy. Remember this thing. Clear? So this is about the operation दिस वेब जो अभी ड्रोन अटैक हुआ है. समझ में आ रहा है? स्पाइडर वेब. नाउ अब एक चीज मैं आपको और यहां बता दूं, दैट इज व्हाई दिस ड्रोन अटैक हैपेंड ऑन अ डे बिफोर दैट रशिया इज गोइंग फॉर अ पीसफुल टॉक, इस्तांबुल, है ना. तो ये एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट था इस न्यूज का. सो अब क्वेश्चन ये बनता है यहां पर, वॉज द स्पाइडर वेब ड्रोन अटैक मिलिट्री विक्ट्री, or was it a theatrical act in a billion-dollar political drama? So every missile fired by Russia helped Zelensky secure more weapons, more loans, as well as more media coverage, and also more reasons to keep the war alive. Now Trump wants to end it for business, Europe wants to extend it for profits. Zelensky, he wins either way. But in the middle of this geopolitical chessboard are the millions of ordinary Ukrainians who are caught between NATO's fear, Russia's red lines, as well as the West hunger for money as well as minerals. So the war in Ukraine has become a loop of power. It has become a profit as well as provocation. Okay. Now what about peace? It is the biggest threat to everyone's business. Peace is the biggest threat. And that is the terrifying truth here, that the war is not about winning anymore. It is about never letting peace happen. So share this video, share this story, let the world ask the right questions, because the moment we stop questioning the war is the moment that we all becoming the part of spider web. Thank you so much.